I received this product for a review and I may earn commission from this video. So this is a off-road climbing car Dinosaur. So look at that Dinosaur. This is what it looks like right here. So this Dinosaur is going to be great for off the road. Here's your Dinosaur car. Look how cool this looks. So you have your Dinosaur right here. You have your big wheels right here. And then it's going to come with your battery. So it comes with your battery here. It comes with these batteries. And then it comes with your controller right here. So I'm going to go ahead, put the batteries and everything, and we're going to go out and test this Dinosaur out. Alright, so we're out here. So if you can see, this spine goes up. And then this spine, it goes backwards. This spine will make a dinosaur sound. So if you can see, it runs right up over my flip-flop. So this is so much fun.